I'm thankful for a Thanksgiving on Sesame Street. Bats, I can count all of these fabulous flyers. School, I learned something every single day. My drums, I like making a racket with my drumsticks. My pal Slimy, he helps me tell pesky people to scram. My mommy, she tucks me into bed at night. Pretty flowers, they smell so good, they make Elmo a very happy monster. Making cookies, me share them with me friends sometimes. Oatmeal, it's perfectly plain and it fills me up. Music, I play the guitar because it makes me muy feliz, very happy. Reading, I really like learning about different monsters. Obejita, she is sweetest, silliest sheep that you have ever seen. Granny Bird, she makes me special birdseed muffin. For watching, I hope you enjoyed this story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.